If I had to restart my YouTube channel today, I would let AI do most of the work. And in this video, I'll show you 10 things ChatGPT can do that can literally build your content strategy from scratch. Start with nothing, ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 video ideas for a tech YouTube channel about AI tools. You should exactly ask what you want and describe every details in the prompt you'll send. It gives you topics, formats, and even audience targeting. And now, once you pick your idea, you just have to say, write me a 7-minute YouTube script with sections, a hook, and a CTA. And CTA is short form of call to action. Boom! Now you're ready to record. Of course, for your YouTube videos, you need visuals. Tell ChatGPT this. Break this video in 10 shots with descriptions, camera movements, and voiceovers. It gives you a full storyboard. And now you just have to upload your data and describe your page. ChatGPT can give feedback on your content, hashtags, audience, engagement, and even give you growth strategies. The most important things for YouTube videos are thumbnails. Want a viral thumbnail? Describe your video and ask, give me high CTR thumbnail ideas with emotional trigger text. You will get killer copy. Now, for someone who don't know how to upload their video, just ask ChatGPT this. Give me YouTube video title, description, tags, and thumbnail text for this topic. It will even write SEO-friendly stuff. Now this part is so amazing. You want a logo? Try this. Describe your brand. ChatGPT gives you logo concepts, brand colors, and even names to feed into image AI tools. Even if you need logo motion, just describe what you want and tell ChatGPT to write a prompt that you will send to Runway, just like this. Another cool stuff you can do with ChatGPT is this. Look, upload your own face, ask AI to remix it, add your expression, text, lighting idea, and boom, you've got a YouTube thumbnail that stands out. You can create lots of pictures and you just need to be creative. Don't upload your own face. Just create a picture of the space you want to have in your thumbnail, then just put that picture in your background and then design it in Photoshop or any picture editing apps you use. After all this, you need content creation calendar. Try this. Make me a 30-day content calendar for a channel about AI and tech tutorials. You get post ideas, formats, even days and posting hours. And now, this is the craziest one. You can use AI to write a story, break into scenes, turn each into images with Midjourney or DALL-E, or even with ChatGPT, and animate it with Runway. I show you exactly how you can do this in next video, so just subscribe my channel. And if you're into learn more stuff about AI and ChatGPT or other AI tools, just subscribe my channel.